Did you hear about Master Shastal? He was so hungry, he just took a huge bite out of it, and...
Ugh! Voodoo! I'll never understand this whole letting the force flow through me business. It always seems like stacking rocks to me. Never understand the point of it. Besides, you're so much better at it than I am anyways.
Maybe, but you're still better at the saber than I.
What do you say when we get back to Coruscant, while our masters are all done here, we hit a cantina?
Can't.
Why? What do you have going on?
It's nothing.
Come on, tell me. You tell me everything.
Well,
Jaquel, come on.
Master Shastal said that I'm ready. Ready for the trials of knighthood.
What? That's great. Come on. Let's go back to camp.
What? What is it, Cor?
Did you see that?
See what?
There was something there in those bushes.
Hey, are you alright?
Yeah, I think so.
Hey, Cor. Don't worry. Your master will nominate you any time now. Besides, I'm counting on you for saber practice.
Thanks, Jaquel. Look, why don't you go on ahead? I'm gonna go meditate for a while, okay?
Alright.
extinguish your blades, now! You both know Jedi does not allow anger to rule in combat. Search your feelings. From where does this animosity come, Cordona?
No one, Master Shastel, It's nothing.
It wasn't nothing when Arthur sparring.
Padawan Jakal. That's not the behavior of one who's about to face the trials of knighthood.
You're also obsessed with the trials of knighthood. I'm ready to face them. No one cares about that.
Padawan, jealousy's not the Jedi way.
Sorry, Master.
You were jealous of me? Why didn't you say something?
I'm sorry, Jakel.
You're both dismissed from training. Jakal, come with me.
He's haunting you, isn't he?
Master?
That's Sith, Dark Regent.
Sith?
He's watching you. You catch glimpses of him out of the corners of your eye, but when you turn and look, you see nothing but air. Be mindful, Padawan. He means to turn you to the dark side.
But I would never. Why? Why has he chosen me?
You're powerful. I'm not blind. You have far more potential than Jaquel. But she can control her emotions and focus her mind. That's why Darth Regent is targeting you. You're vulnerable. He seeks to manipulate your jealousy and use it to turn you to the dark side of the Force.
But how do I stop him?
You must destroy your weakness.
What is my weakness?
You know what your weakness is. Go reconcile with Jaquel.
Yes, Master.
Cordona.
Look, I'm really sorry about...
No, it's okay. I've been meditating on it. You were just jealous. Everybody has something they struggle with.
That's right. You know everything about the Jedi. You're going to face the trials.
That's not what I meant.
I'm sick and tired of you babbling about how much better than me you are.
I never said anything like that.
You didn't have to. I know what you're thinking.
What are you talking about?
My master says I need to destroy my weakness.
Your weakness?
Do you know what my weakness is, Jaquel?
No.
You know everything. Tell me what my weakness is. Tell me what my weakness is! It's you, Jaquel! And it's always been you. And I must destroy my weakness as my master has told me.
Do you really mean that?
Yes.
Hey, Cor, this is bigger than the both of us. We have to take it. Together.
You have done well.
Who are you?
I have been watching you for a long time.
I thought he was Darth Regent.
He was. You are most powerful, young Jedi, but you have much to learn. You could become more powerful than my late apprentice ever could.
Your apprentice? How can I learn this power?
The same way you killed Darth Regent. Let your jealousy turn to anger, to hatred. Let it guide you. Join me, and I will teach you how to use your jealousy to wield a power greater than you can imagine.
I want to learn this power.
Excellent, my young apprentice.